When we think of the universe, it's natural to imagine it as a giant ball with a middle point, like a globe or a galaxy. But here's the surprising truth: the universe has no center, no single spot where everything began, and no edge where it ends. So, how can that be? Let's start with the Big Bang. About 13.8 billion years ago, the universe began expanding from a hot, dense state. But it wasn't an explosion that happened at one point in space. It was space itself expanding everywhere at once. Imagine a balloon with tiny dots drawn on it. As the balloon inflates, every dot moves away from every other dot. There's no special dot in the center of the balloon surface. They're all moving apart equally. The universe works the same way. Every galaxy is moving away from every other galaxy, not because they're flying through space, but because space itself is stretching. From any point you stand, it looks like you're at the center because everything around you is expanding away. Now you might ask, if there's no center, does that mean the universe is infinite? Scientists aren't fully sure. It may be infinite, or it may curve back on itself like the surface of a sphere. But in either case, there's no middle point. The expansion happens everywhere, all the time. Here's a fun thought experiment. Imagine baking raisin bread. As the dough rises in the oven, every raisin moves away from all the others. To any raisin, it seems like the universe is expanding around it. That's how galaxies behave in our universe. And here's something even more mind-blowing. If you travel billions of light years in any direction, you won't find a wall, an edge, or a center. You just keep going, discovering more space and more galaxies as the universe continues to expand. But behind all of this vastness is a truth: the fact that the universe has no center, no edge, and yet follows perfect physical laws is not random. The harmony of expansion, the order in galaxies, the balance of forces, all of it reflects the design of God, the creator of everything. He made a universe so vast that the human minds can barely grasp it, yet every part of it follows laws He set in place. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember, there's no single